Hey guys, my name is Germy and now I will tell you about my homework. The topic is talking about animal and pets. The question is, do you think animals can be our friends and why? Mm, some somebody maybe think that animal can't be our friends, but for me I think they are our friends. Most of animals are smart and cute and gentle. We can share the joy, the stress when talking and playing with them. There are many good relationships between animal and people, such as dolphins save people and or the dog protect people. I I also have an exotic dog. I named it is Moon, and I pet my pet. My dog is a very good boy. I often feed and take 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 Moon to the fields and run with it. Moon often greets me when I go out. And eat at home, and guard property and watch for unwanted people or animals intrudus. Moon isn't endangered and it is loyal. I like my dog. I hope we should treat animals well because they are our friends. Thanks for listening.